Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. If you love AI, automation and smart coding, you are in the right place. Today, we are building AI agents that collaborate like human. So let me tell you a quick story. Suppose you are working along on a project. You research, write code, debug documents, everything by yourself. Now imagine, instead of this, one AI researches, one AI writes, one AI checks mistakes, and one AI manages everything. That's not science fiction. That's CrewAI for you. First of all, what is an AI agent? I made 2 videos on it, but for now, an AI agent is an AI with a job. Not just answering questions, but planning, deciding, and acting. Agents have goals, tools, responsibilities. Now imagine multiple agents working together. That's CrewAI. CrewAI lets you create multiple agents, assign them roles, give them tasks, and make them collaborate like a team, just like a company, but automated. Before we build an AI agent in CrewAI, we must understand the building blocks behind it. First and most important is LLM. LLM stands for Large Language Model. This is the brain of your AI agent. It understands instructions, reasons through problems, and generates responses. Without an LLM, an AI agent cannot think. Next come LangChain. LangChain is the framework that connects everything. It connects LLMs, tools, memory, external data. Every agent needs a role. The roles defines who the agent is. Also, it has goal that defines what the agent wants to achieve. Now, agents become powerful when we give them tools. Tools allows agents to search the web, read files, call APIs, run functions. One popular tool is DuckDuckGo Search. DuckDuckGo Search allow agents to access live internet data. This is important because LLMs have limited knowledge. With DuckDuckGo, agents fetch latest information and it verify facts, it do real research. Now let me show you the official CrewAI website. This is where everything starts. Documentations, examples and concepts. At the top, CrewAI describes itself as a framework for building collaborative AI agents. Here you will notice its support for tools that helps agents move from ideas to actions. In CrewAI, LLM handles reasoning and language, but CrewAI handles coordination and execution. Now that you understand the website and concepts, we are ready to build our first CrewAI in code. Let's move to the implementation. Now I have opened one Google Colab notebook. First we install the required libraries. Here I write pip install CrewAI, OpenAI, then Python .env. Here OpenAI is used for the language model and .env helps us manage environment variables securely. If you are using OpenAI with LangChain, then we also need LangChain OpenAI. Now we also write pip install LangChain _OpenAI. Now I am installing. Let's install it. See, our installation is completed. Next, we set the OpenAI API keys. So we write here import OS. Now write os.env. Let's say OpenAI API keys. Then we have to paste OpenAI API keys here. We paste that key here in this place. Now this key allows our agent to communicate with the LLM. To get the OpenAI API keys, first go to platform.openai.com. One very important thing you must understand that OpenAI is not completely free. Right now it's charged $5, roughly in 500 rupees India. So you can get it from there. Now let me run it. Now here see, I have imported some core components. From CrewAI, we import agent, tasks, crew and process. Then from LangChain _OpenAI, we import chat OpenAI. From .env, import load_.env. Here agent defines who works, task defines what work is done. Crew connects agents and tasks, process controls execution flow. In load underscore dot env, this loads variable from a dot env file, which is the safest way to store secrets. So you have to write here load underscore dot env. Now we initializing the LLM. We write here LLM is equal to chat OpenAI. Here I have to initializing our model. Now see here, we are using GPT-4o mini as our model for speed and cost efficiency. Now let me tell you what is temperature. Temperature controls creativity. It higher means more creative and lower means more precise. Now here I am pasting one code, not completely coding. What I have done actually, I am defining our agents. 3 agents we are defining here. This agent job is simple: write persuasive cold emails. Role define identify, goal defines purpose, and backstory improves response quality. This agent acts like a manager. Notice here, allow delegation is equal to true means these agents can coordinate with others. This agent acts as a content specialist. This agent reviews and improves quality. Each agent has a clear responsibility here, just like a real team. Now here, I have defining the tasks. The task defines what needs to be done. We assign the tasks to the strategist who will coordinate the workflow. This is where the magic happens. We create a queue of agents and decide how they work together. Sequential means one agent works after another. Here, verbose means how much detail CrewAI shows while running. It controls the level of logging and explanations. This line, email underscore crew.kickoff, starts the entire workflow. Agents communicate, reason, and collaborate automatically. Finally, we print the result. Now let me run this code, see what's happened. So alright, our CrewAI agents have finished their works. Let's see the result. What you are seeing here is not a single AI response. This output is the combined effort of multiple AI agents. First, the email author created the initial drafts. Then the marketing strategist analyzed the result, and after that the content specialist reviewed and refined the emails. Finally, everything was merged into this polished output. So that's it. So today we didn't just write some Python code, we built a team of AI agents that can think, collaborate and deliver results. This is the future of automation, not one AI but many AIs working together. If you understand these fundamentals, you can build agents for almost anything. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.